a giant ice cream drive-thru.
Hello, how can I help you?
It's boiling out here. Give me something icy, quick!
All right, I'll make a super cool shaved ice to chill you down fast. My newest ice shaver machine will whip up a perfect icy treat in just a minute.
Ooh!
I'll add some watermelon syrup for a watermelon flavor. Then, top it with some M&M and a slice of watermelon. Your cool watermelon shaved ice is ready.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Yummy.
This is the best icy treat I've ever had.
Bye, hope to see you again soon.
Oh! Give me your 2 best shaved ice, now!
Okay, 2 super special icy treats coming right up. This time, I'll make a refreshing mango one.
Oh!
I'll top it with a mango slice. Some rainbow sprinkles and a crunchy wafer roll. Here's yours.
Oh!
It's huge! I want it packed to go.
Sure, easy. The second one is up next. Now, for the kiwi one, I need blue syrup, some sprinkles, a kiwi slice, and a cherry. Let me pack that up for you.
Oh! I still want one more cup. Make it gigantic. Hurry it up. I've been waiting forever.
Hang on, I'm wrapping it up right now. I need to work faster. Oh no! What happened?
Gosh, what was that?
The ice is everywhere.
It's free shaved ice. Grab it quickly. Wow, so tasty.
Best treat ever!
So good. I want more.
How to build the snow shaved ice machine. Number 1, build the cooling chamber. Add the outer panel. I'll pour ice cubes into the chamber to freeze the water. Number 2, build the ice shaving chamber. The motor. Add the motor inside. I'll add the gears that make the roller spin. Now I'll build the roller core using these sprocket pieces. Silver tube. Add the front grille. Add the control arms. Number 3, build the top container. Add the water tank. Snow shaved ice machine is done. Wow. Testing.
A river in the forest.
We're at the research area, buddy. The river here is severely polluted. I'll go down and take a water sample. The dirty water turned you into a zombie.
How to build the water cleaning machine. Step 1, build the truck body. I have assembled 2 identical parts. The legs. The battery box. The motors. The tray. Step 2. Build the conveyor belts. The tread links. The first conveyor belt is done. I will build the second conveyor belt. The tread links. The second conveyor belt is done. Step 3. Connect all components. Connect to the battery box. Water cleaning machine is ready. The duckweed are being carried up the conveyor and falling into the trash tray. The cleaning truck can turn around and continue collecting trash from the other corner of the river. All the trash has been removed.
The river is clean, buddy. Let's take another sample.
Too long. I'm so tired. Yeah, it's my turn.
How to build the Slauerhof Bridge. Step 1. Build the engine. Step 2. Build the bridge pier. I need to check the bridge's operation before opening it to traffic. Step 3. Complete assembly. Step 4. Testing. It works so smoothly.
What is happening?
Please lower the bridge.
We can't wait anymore.
2,000 years later.
Too long. How long do we have to wait?
Keep the change. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Good morning, guys.
Juice vending machine.
Want blueberry.
Kindly wait. Processing now.
Processing now.
Orange juice. Blueberry juice.
Yeah. Great. Got our drink. Awesome.
Yomo.
Yummy!
Ice cream vending
What
machine.
favor do you want?
Just buy all. I have plenty of money.
The ice cream here is delicious.
Apple. Add the apple. Mixing. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
So yummy!
How to build the ice cream machine. Mixer zone. Push zone. Build the mixer zone. Step 1. Build a mixer blade. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Testing a mixer blade. Build the push zone. Step 1. Build a patong. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. 3. Complete assembly.
It's all mine.
Come on, LOL.
Mixing. Add human bones. Bananas. Add bananas. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
The taste is disgusting.
Fast food vending machine.
I'm starving. Hope I can get the hamburger.
Input the money. The strawberry donut.
Oh, a donut. I don't need this.
Input the money. The pizza.
Are you trying to drive me mad? This is my last bit of money.
Ew.
Burger.
Stupid machine.
This campsite is awesome.
What? The lake is covered in trash. They dump trash into this lake again. I need a cleaning machine now.
How to build a cleaning machine. Garbage truck. Add the gears. The axle. Add the axle to the truck. The net. Connect them. The trash collector is done. Build the tracks. Add the tracks to the lake. Testing the machine. The cars run along the lake and collects all the trash.
Let's clean up all the trash. My machine works so well. Trash is gathered on one side of the lake. Let's move the trash away.
2,000 years later.
When will this be finished? Let's upgrade the machine.
Upgrade the cleaning machine. Add the trash collector. Add the battery box.
Let's see how it collects garbage. It's so exciting.
Now, the trash is collected automatically.
Wonderful.
Before, after.
The lake is clean again.
There's treasure waiting for us.
Let's see what treasures this map leads us to.
Oh no, fog in the cave. Dad, what's wrong?
This fog is poisonous.
We use gear to clear fog with airflow? That's how we get rid of the smoke. Now we've seen everything.
How to build the golden mine cart. Number 1, build the rail base module. The wheel set. Add the motor. Number 2, build the gold carrier, the battery box. Now I'll build the loading deck to carry gold. Add loading deck to battery box, the push rod, the tipping lever. Number 3, place the carrier to the rail base. Testing.
Hey, son, look!
I'm not afraid of spiders. Go straight. The wind is so strong.
Let's go. my son.
What a surprise!
A line of candles blocking our path in the cave. I think we can do it.
The fire is completely out. Perfect solution. Now, we can move past it.
Come back home, son.
Oh no, fallen bricks ahead.
Our vehicle is stuck.